you put these on the right way around the first time. Top tip. These ones are oddly not seized. Normally they are rock fucking solid.
What? A bit of an exhaust leak, I think.
Nah, that's the rocket cover go. It will be underneath.
Oh, it's just leaky oil on the exhaust then.
Nothing.
Oh yes, absolutely nothing. Oh no, it's on the stick, just.
Because I've had all of that on, and they.
Really like it fucking work. Is it that one?
Yeah, no, that's
Not this one.
well, that's the 1040.
Yeah, wait. It's all good.
Yeah.
Oh, just caught it. Very lumpy. It should be silky smooth. Plug the math back in and see if it just if we plug the math in and it dies,
Then you know. Whoa.
the math is working. It's doing something. Some plug's fucking everything.
Alright, we'll
One at a time. The throttle position sensor
Alright.
didn't really care about.
Idle control.
Didn't really care about.
I think we found a plug in there somewhere. Not one of them again.
Calling Captain Spaghetti.
Oh, that was a good noise. Oh, hang on, the old check controls come off.
That'll do.
The seat's not gone all the way in. Pull him out.
What the fuck?
That's more like it.
So that, well, it seals. It's definitely sealed.
Oh! From out of nowhere. Oh my word, he's taken off. Okay. Alright, mate.
We don't need you.
Chill out. Alright.
Right, do not lose him. You can't be homophobic on the YouTube.
Oh, we're having a bit of a petrol leak on hot parts, but worse things have happened.
Extinguishers at the ready.
Right.
They ain't in there either.
What?
It's missing a top seal. There's
You,
not.
oh my word. Did you take them all off?
Yeah, I took them all off.
Oh, right.
Oh, that'll be it then, won't it?
So that is a bit of a loose fit, I reckon.
Swap all the seals.
Yeah, because look at the seals in comparison.
Well, these just had no top seals.
Just put them down and compare the bottom seals as well, because I reckon those pink ones are a bit...
Bit fucky, don't they?
Yeah, they've had it.
Bit on the wrong side. Oh yeah, that's way too far. It's flipping.
So if you plug that pink one,
Oh, see, that is solid. Green one took some effort. This one is just like it's
it's
flapping
just
in the wind.
loose. Oh my word! It's just rattling around in there. Sweet. Pop, pop. Still making that weird noise.
Ah, it's a block. That's a blank hole, isn't it?
Okay.
We haven't won. Ah, should we see which? Maybe.
What's that?
It's just a blank. It
It
went.
didn't look like a very good blank.
This one is for the FPR. That's not fucking.
Oh, for fuck's sake.
I don't even see. Oh,
I saw
what the
it.
fuck?
What?
That's so far away. Ugh. Oh, I've given birth.
Oh, for fuck's sake.